Hi, this is Shinahara. I am at a rental apartment in Nagareyama City, Chiba Prefecture. A new IMECHEN renovation has just been completed, so I would like to introduce the room to you. This renovation was handled by IMECHEN Narashino Store, Reflect Company, Limited. So I will be interviewing Mr. Suzuki about what kind of work was done. Thank you for joining us today.
Thank you.
So, could you briefly tell us about the property?
Yes, this is a rental apartment in Nagareyama City, Chiba Prefecture. It's a 36-year-old unit with a floor area of 44 square meters. Originally, it was a 2DK layout, but this time we've changed it to a 1LDK.
I see. And may I ask who is the client for this project?
Sure. The owner actually used to live in this unit. And they also own the room next door. For that one, we received a renovation request at the end of last year. At that time, we updated the water supply and hot water pipes, and also replaced the unit bath. After that work, the owner has moved to that room. And since this one became vacant, they asked us to renovate it for rental use this time.
Got it. So it's a renovation aimed at rental use. Then, please show us what kind of work you did here.
Sure.
Thank you. So this is the living space, I believe. What kind of work did you do in this room?
Yes. Since it used to be a 2DK, there used to be a partition wall here.
Oh, so there was a wall here?
Yes. This side was the dining and kitchen space, and the back was a Western-style room. We removed all the partitions to open up the space, and turned it into a single large room. Also here, the kitchen used to have a block-style kitchen unit. We replaced it with a new block kitchen of the same type.
So the position and size of the kitchen stayed the same, but the whole unit was replaced. Which manufacturer is this kitchen from?
It's made by Wand.
It used to be known as my set, right?
That's right.
And what size is this?
The width is 1,750 millimeters.
So this gas stove section is 70 centimeters. And the sink side is about 1.5 meters.
Yes.
And I see the range hood and wall cabinets are also new?
That's right. Previously, there was a beam running slightly across the back area here, which made the wall uneven. So we added an additional wall layer to make it flat.
I see.
There was originally a ventilation fan.
So it wasn't a range hood originally?
Exactly.
So you also did duct work then?
Yes.
Kitchen panels were applied to the front and side. And the faucet is wall-mounted here. Was it originally in this position?
Yes.
Thank you. And I see you've also installed under cabinet lighting.
Yes, that's new as well.
There's space next to the kitchen here. Is this intended for placing a refrigerator?
Exactly. After confirming with the owner, since they plan to recruit single occupants, we set aside 60 centimeters of space for a standard single-person refrigerator.
I see, plenty of room for a compact fridge. Thank you. What caught my attention is that there are inner windows here. Were these installed during this renovation?
No, actually the owner had that done earlier, using a government subsidy program for window renovations. So they were already in place before we started.
Got it. What about the curtain rail? Was that part of this project?
Yes, we installed that this time.
This was originally two different rooms, right? Looking at the ceiling and floor, it's completely flat and seamless. Were there any noticeable level differences before?
This side used to have a cushion floor, but underneath it there was flooring. It had been laid over the top, so we removed the cushion floor. The other side already had flooring. So we just took off the cushion layer, repaired the subfloor where the partition wall used to be, and made everything level.
I see. So no floor raising was needed. Thank you. I also see two ceiling lights here. Were they replaced as well?
Yes. The fixtures were provided by the owner, and we just handled the installation.
Got it. So the ceiling outlet positions stayed the same?
Yes, they haven't been changed.
Even though the two rooms were merged, you didn't have to move the lighting positions. Thank you. What about the air conditioner?
The owner told us it had been replaced quite recently, so we didn't touch that part. It was done by a specialized contractor.
Thank you. And this baseboard trims. They look wooden, are they?
Yes, they are wooden baseboards. And we repainted it for a clean finish this time.
So, originally this was a 2DK, and now you've created a large living room. Could we take a look at the next room as well?
Sure.
I can see the door here is new too, isn't it?
Yes. Originally there were sliding doors here.
So that means both this opening here and the other side could be opened before?
Exactly. The room behind this was originally a Japanese-style room. And since there was a partition wall here, it had sliding doors that allowed you to open both ways.
I see. And this time, you replaced it with a hinge door instead. So you kept this opening, but closed off the other side.
Yes, that's right.
May I ask which manufacturer this door is from?
This door is from Panasonic's Veritas series.
The Veritas line. Thank you. Let's take a look inside.
Sure.
It's quite a spacious room.
Yes, originally it was a 6-tatami mat room plus an additional wood flooring area.
I see. It extended beyond this frame here.
Right.
So from this frame toward the closet area used to be the tatami section.
Yes.
And this side was wood flooring?
Right.
And by connecting those two areas, it's now a large Western-style room.
Exactly.
I see there are wooden columns and beams. And you've painted them all, right?
Yes, we basically painted everything white to give it a clean, unified look.
And the ceiling has wooden elements. So you can really tell it used to be a Japanese-style room. And now the closet looks very neat.
Yes, this was originally a Japanese built-in closet.
So the size was roughly 1.5 tatami mats?
Yes.
And this column here. You didn't remove it but rather incorporated it into the closet?
Exactly. But originally, the storage doors were hinged on the right side. And when opened, they would hit the curtain rail.
Was it a folding doors or swing door?
It was a folding door. But they were mounted on the opposite side.
I see. So when opened, they would touch the curtain rail. That would definitely cause interference. So you switched the hinge direction to avoid that.
That's right.
If you were just looking at the floor plan, you might have kept it as it was originally designed. But seeing it on site, you realized the door would hit the curtain. So you adjusted accordingly.
Yes, exactly.
Inside, I see you've installed a shelf and hanging rod. So clothes can be stored neatly.
Yes. And these power outlets.
Were they all replaced?
Yes, we replaced all the electrical outlets throughout the unit.
Including the light switches?
Yes. All the switches were replaced with new ones too.
Perfect. Thank you.
Now, let's move on to the bathroom area. I'd like to explain those.
Overall, it's based on white tones and has turned out really nicely.
Yes, we went for a bright and clean look. And about this wall here? Originally, there wasn't a wall here. It used to connect directly from the entryway to this space.
I see. So, from the hallway, or rather, from the front door, you could see straight into the living area.
Yes, so for this, after discussing with the owner, they mentioned that many of the tenants were female. And since we turned the layout into a large single-room LDK, they didn't want the living area visible from the entrance, like when delivery people come to the door. So we added this wall and a new door here to create separation. Also, this intercom with monitor, it was provided by the owner, and we handled the installation.
Got it. Thank you. In a 2DK layout, there would have been a partition wall here, so it was fine to be open. But when you open up the space to create a large LDK, adding this wall becomes essential.
Exactly.
Thank you. Now, this leads into the hallway and entry area, right?
Yes. We installed floor tiles at the entrance area. The shoe cabinet itself was originally here, but we removed it during the renovation. And the owner purchased a new one. assembled it, and installed it. Also, the entrance door was finished with paint.
So this door is paint finished. What about the frames?
Yes, we painted that together as well.
Like the living room, the wooden baseboards here are also paint finished?
Yes, that's right.
It sounds like there was quite a lot of painting work this time.
Yes, quite a bit.
And I see there are 2 doors here.
So this one leads to the washroom.
It's a sliding door.
Originally, it was a double sliding door.
Really?
But since this side is where the washing machine goes, this space doesn't need frequent access. So this time we changed it to a single sliding door.
I see. Thank you.
And this is the vanity. This time we used Lixil's Oft.
Since it's a 3-sided mirror, the width is 750 millimeters?
Yes, 750 millimeters. We initially thought about going up to 900 millimeters, but the width wasn't enough. The washing pan was originally 740 millimeters, and we changed it to 640 millimeters, hoping to widen the space a bit, but...
I see, so the washing pan is a bit smaller now.
That's right.
So both the washing pan and water tap were replaced with new ones this time.
Exactly.
The floor is cushion flooring?
Yes.
So cushion floor with a tile pattern. Looks really stylish.
And moving right along, this is the bathroom.
The unit bath is also new, isn't it?
Yes, just like the neighboring unit we worked on before. We used Lixil's BW series.
What's the size of this unit?
It's 11/16 size.
So the original bathroom was also 11/16 size?
That's correct.
So it was replaced with the same size.
Next, this is the toilet area. We also replaced the door with a new one.
I see.
For the toilet, we installed Toto's ZR1 model.
And the floor here is also cushion flooring?
Yes, that's right. And we have changed the wallpaper on just one side to create an accent wall.
Thank you for today.
Thank you.
So, may I ask about the total renovation cost this time?
Yes, it was 3.3 million yen including tax.
3.3 million yen. I see there were some owner-supplied items, like the interior windows and the air conditioner. But overall, it fits within the 3.3 million yen budget. Thank you very much. By the way, since this unit is being rented out, how's the response so far?
Well, even during construction, we already had some people coming to see it. Actually, one person came for a viewing just last week.
That's great. Sounds like it'll be rented out soon.
Yes, hopefully.
That's exciting. And this is actually your first time appearing on YouTube as Reflect. How was it?
Honestly, I was quite nervous.
Really? You didn't look nervous at all. Before we wrap up, could you tell us a bit about your company? What areas does the IMECHEN Narashino Store cover?
We mainly work around Funabashi City, and also in the neighboring cities like Narashino, Ichikawa, and Yachiyo. But this project was in Nagareyama City, and we're open to going as far as we can.
So basically, people shouldn't hesitate to contact you even if they're outside those areas.
Yes, exactly.
By the way, Mr. Suzuki, you used to be a craftsman, right? What kind of work did you do?
I was a painting craftsman.
Then did you do the painting for this project yourself?
No, this time I left it to one of our skilled painters.
I see. So you must have a strong network of craftsman colleagues.
That's right. Actually, most of the renovation work here was done by craftsmen I've known and worked with for years.
That's great. It's always reassuring when the person in charge truly understands the site work. So, if you're interested in a renovation, please feel free to contact the Narashino store directly or through the main office. Thank you for today.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching today. At IMECHEN, we offer 2 nationwide renovation plans. A flat-rate renovation service for rental properties called IMECHEN, and another service for pre-owned homes called IMECHEN Next. You can download the brochures for both IMECHEN and IMECHEN Next from our official websites. If you haven't gotten yours yet, please make sure to check them out. We're also currently holding our in-person training program, the School of Renovation. It's a 3-day course where you can learn the fundamentals of renovation and the basics of rental property sales. This program is designed especially for those working in renovation companies. So if you're interested, please take a look at the link in the description below for more details.